Just Markets Review, 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how online trading platforms have evolved in 2025. Just Markets promises fast execution, diverse markets, and low fees, but is it really the right choice for you? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming trading platforms are only for experts. Just Markets supports beginners and experienced traders alike, offering forex, commodities, indices, and crypto trading all in one platform. You can start with a modest deposit, making it easier to enter the markets without huge capital. One major advantage is the platform's tools. You won't believe what happens next when you see advanced charting, technical indicators, and automated trading options. You can also customize your dashboard, track market news, and set alerts to make smarter trading decisions. Just Markets also shines in speed and reliability. Orders are executed quickly, reducing slippage, and spreads remain competitive across major currency pairs. Customer support is available, which is a big help if you encounter any trading issues or need guidance. However, there are cons. Leverage trading can amplify losses as well as profits, so risk management is crucial. Some advanced features may be overwhelming for beginners, and certain educational resources are limited compared to other platforms. In conclusion, Just Markets in 2025 is a solid choice for traders seeking a versatile platform with fast execution and diverse market access. While beginners should start cautiously and learn risk management, the combination of tools, accessibility, and support makes Just Markets a competitive option for both new and experienced traders looking to maximize opportunities across multiple markets.